stuff you'll need for this cute hair tutorial is 2 packs of equal hair in natural fro in the color 1 or whatever color you are. You'll also need Got To Be Glue spray in edge booster or whatever edge control you like. That's my favorite. I also use Berets and clips for this hairstyle, but that's optional. Don't forget a super sturdy brush so you can brush your hair very well, so when you wrap it, it comes out very flat. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is part your hair in a middle part as perfect as you can. Once you're done, put your hair in a ponytail and push it aside for now. Get your Got To Be Glue spray and spray the middle part and all the edges, the front and the back, and pull out whatever hairs you like to use for your baby hair. Get your edge control and get a very generous amount and put it all on the front of your hair, the middle part and the back. Make sure to brush thoroughly. Now put your hair in a ponytail and do the exact same thing to the other side. Don't mind my dye all in my ears. I just dyed my hair right before this video while attempting to dye it black. Now it's time to do your edges. I do my edges in a very weird way. I don't really do it the standard way. So you can watch and learn and take from it whatever you like. While you do your edges, you should wrap your hair. That's something I like to do because I feel like if you just let it sit there, it's gonna mess up. So just wrap it and then do your edges. Once you're done, get your clips and put them on both sides of your buns. Now get the ponytail and put it on your bun and pull it as hard as you can and wrap it a good 5 times. And do the same to the other side. Now my camera cut off, but these are the barrettes you can add onto your ponytails around. They're really, really cute and they're aesthetic. I hope you like this protective go-to hairstyle that's really cheap and cute. Comment whatever hairstyle you'd like for me to do next.